Here's the problem. You invested tons of time and money to create a great website so you could get new customers online. But nobody's coming to it because they can't find you on search engines. Instead, they're finding all your competitors. There they are, ranking at the top of the search results, getting all the customers you're trying to attract. Meanwhile, the beautiful website that you've built is getting no traffic, leads, or sales. How are you ever going to outrank your competitors? Easy. You use Ahrefs, the platform that shows you exactly why your competitors are ranking so high and what you need to do to outrank them. Ahrefs will show you all the keywords that are bringing traffic to your competitors, every website linking to your competitors and boosting their positions in search, every SEO mistake you're making on your own website and how to fix them, automatic reports that track your website's new backlinks and ranking improvements. Ahrefs takes the guesswork out of SEO. You will learn what exactly you need to do to outrank your competitors. Over 600,000 users all over the world have used Ahrefs to rank higher in search engines. Start your free 14-day trial and improve your SEO game.
Valerie is a veterinarian. When she's not fixing up people's pets, she's busy doing her own online marketing. If someone looks for a vet in her town, she wants to make sure they find her office. You see, search engines and mobile apps rely on a number of data sources to find local results. Each location needs to have its own established, consistent online listing of information like name, address, phone number, and website. But maintaining all those listings on all those search engines and apps can be expensive and seriously time-consuming, especially when you have multiple locations. Luckily, there's an easy, affordable way to manage all of your online business listings for all of your locations from one platform. Valerie uses Moz Local. All she has to do is upload the business information for all of her offices, and at the click of a button, Moz Local distributes accurate, consistent listings to the sources search engines rely on most, and notifies Valerie when any issues come up. When the search engines can find Valerie's offices, new customers can find her on the web. With all the time and money Valerie saves using Moz Local, she can focus on what really matters: running her business.
Roughly 64% of all traffic generated comes from organic searches. Tapping into this huge amount of traffic starts with keyword analysis. Without the right keywords, you'll be stuck with little traffic and a low conversion rate. With Kwfinder, we'll reveal hundreds of potential keywords to rank for, global search volume for the keywords, as well as the difficulty to rank for the keywords, all with one search. There are other keyword tools out there, but they only reveal a few results, have a limited scope on the hidden gem keywords that semantically relate to your term, and don't work on all devices. With Kwfinder, you don't have to worry about any of these things. So let's say you're searching for NYC real estate. We can find hundreds of relevant keywords in seconds that our competitors are potentially missing. We can also determine the difficulty to rank for them, as well as the global search volume. Kwfinder works in all languages to provide extremely accurate geolocated results. Kwfinder is easy for anyone to use and delivers the in-depth results that the most well-known pros in the SEO industry are looking for. With Kwfinder, you'll be able to see behind the search engine queries and tap into thousands of search terms that your competitors are missing. Sign up for Kwfinder today and see why so many people are calling Kwfinder their new favorite keyword tool.
The internet is amazing. It's so easy to share anything you create with the entire world. Like Alice. She just opened an online store for her custom jewelry. But now she is wondering, can people find her site and mobile app on Google? With Search Console, Alice can make sure that Google finds her store and shows it for the correct search queries. Search Console also displays the errors that Google found when reading her site and app. Alice can check those errors and fix them so all her pages can appear in search results. Every time Alice creates a new product page, she can use Search Console to see which terms lead people to her Google search results pages. And she can use that data to discover the most successful pages and products in her store, so she can focus on that and increase traffic to her business. Also, Search Console regularly checks her site for errors and even sends an email alert if it finds any important issues. Now Alice can be sure that everything is okay with her site and app using Google Search Console.